Elon Musk is building the largest building on Earth. Not a skyscraper, not a stadium, a factory. 100 million square feet of AI chip manufacturing in Grimes County, Texas. It is called Terafab, and it might be the most ambitious construction project in human history. Tesla, SpaceX, and Intel are joining forces to build something that could reshape the entire AI industry. The initial price tag is $16.8 billion. The total could reach $119 billion. And Musk says it will be the largest and most valuable building on Earth by far. Here is everything we know. To understand Terafab, you have to understand what Musk is building toward. His vision of the future involves millions of humanoid robots taking over human jobs, fleets of self-driving robot taxis replacing every car on the road, satellites doubling as data centers for AI training and inference. Every single one of these requires something the world does not have enough of. Compute power. Not just a little more, a phenomenally more. The current global chip supply cannot support what Musk is planning. Terafab exists to bridge that gap. 100 million square feet. To put that in perspective, Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada, currently one of the largest buildings in the world, is about 10 million square feet. Terafab would be 10 times that size. It would be a single facility where chips are manufactured, packaged, and tested, all under one roof. This is what Musk means by vertically integrated. No shipping chips across the world for assembly. No relying on external suppliers for critical components. Everything happens in one place, at unprecedented scale, and at unprecedented speed. 3 companies are behind Terafab. Tesla brings its expertise in manufacturing at scale, the company that proved electric vehicles could be mass-produced. SpaceX brings its experience with rockets, satellites, and operating in extreme environments. And Intel contributes its decades of semiconductor expertise, though the company has been notably cagey about exactly what role it is playing. Together, they are betting that combining electric vehicles, space technology, and chip manufacturing under one roof will create something none of them could build alone. Terafab will produce 2 types of chips. First, edge computing and inference chips designed for Tesla's Optimus robots and self-driving cybercabs. These are chips that need to make decisions in real time on the device without sending data to the cloud. Second, high-power chips designed for operating SpaceX's space-based data centers. Yes, data centers in space. Satellites that do not just relay information, but actually process AI workloads in orbit. The factory will produce both advanced logic and memory devices, the 2 fundamental building blocks of all computing. Here is what makes Terafab genuinely different from a traditional chip factory. Musk says the facility will enable fast, recursive improvements. In the AI chip world, this is a massive advantage. When you design, manufacture, package, and test chips all in one location, you can iterate faster. You find a flaw, you fix it on site. You discover an optimization, you implement it immediately. No waiting for shipments, no relying on partners in other countries. The speed of improvement becomes a function of how fast your own engineers can work, not how fast your supply chain can move. Not everyone in Texas is excited. Hundreds of residents attended a county meeting in Grimes County, raising concerns about millions of dollars in tax breaks awarded to the project and a lack of transparency. The local school district superintendent praised the agreement, saying it would expand opportunities for students. But residents questioned whether the community was getting enough in return for hosting the largest industrial project in the region's history. SpaceX has committed to using water from the Gibbons Creek Reservoir instead of local groundwater, a nod to environmental concerns. But the tension between local communities and massive tech projects is not going away. Terafab is not just a factory. It is a bet on vertical integration in the AI era. Right now, most AI chips are designed by companies like NVIDIA and manufactured by foundries like TSMC in Taiwan. Musk is betting that the future of AI requires owning the entire stack, from design to manufacturing to deployment. If Terafab works, it could give Tesla and SpaceX something no other AI company has: complete control over their own compute supply. In a world where AI compute is the new oil, that is an extraordinary advantage. And if it does not work, it will be one of the most expensive failures in history. $119 billion, 100 million square feet, 3,000 jobs, one building designed to produce the compute power that could define the next century. Elon Musk has built electric cars, reusable rockets, and satellite networks. Terafab is his bet that the next frontier is not in space or on the road. It is in the chips that power the intelligence of everything. Whether it succeeds or fails, it will reshape how we think about manufacturing, computing, and the scale of human ambition. Subscribe to Web Oracle for more tech news that actually matters.